Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to make money on Rumble. Rumble is a video sharing platform that allows you to upload and monetize your videos. In this video, we will discuss some strategies that you can use to make money on Rumble. 1. Create high-quality videos. The first step in making money on Rumble is to create high-quality videos. This means investing in a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Your videos should be well scripted, engaging, and informative. You should aim to produce videos that are both visually and intellectually appealing to the viewer. The better the quality of your videos, the more likely they are to be viewed and shared. To create high-quality videos, you should plan your content in advance, research your topics thoroughly, and use a clear and concise style to communicate your message. Make sure your videos are well edited and have good sound quality. You can also use music and sound effects to add value to your videos. 2. Optimize your videos for search. When uploading your videos to Rumble, it's important to optimize them for search. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. By doing so, your videos are more likely to be discovered by users who are searching for content on Rumble. To optimize your videos for search, you should conduct keyword research to find out which terms are most relevant to your video topic. Then include those keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in Rumble's search results, which can lead to more views and more revenue. 3. Join the Rumble Partner Program. The Rumble Partner Program allows you to monetize your videos on the platform. To join the program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and have generated at least 500 views in the past month. Once you're accepted into the program, you can earn money through advertising revenue. The Rumble Partner Program pays you a share of the revenue generated by ads that are displayed on your videos. The amount you earn depends on several factors, such as the number of views your videos receive, the length of your videos, and the demographics of your audience. The more views your videos get, the more money you can earn. 4. Share your videos on social media. To increase the visibility of your videos on Rumble, you should share them on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase your views and earnings. When sharing your videos on social media, be sure to include a short, catchy description that summarizes your video's content. You can also use hashtags to make your videos more discoverable on social media. Engage with your followers and respond to their comments to build a loyal audience. 5. Participate in Rumble contests. Rumble often hosts video contests that offer cash prizes to the winners. By participating in these contests, you have the chance to earn money and gain exposure for your videos. Be sure to read the contest rules and guidelines carefully to ensure that your videos meet the requirements. Participating in Rumble contests is a great way to showcase your creativity and gain more visibility on the platform. The more exposure you get, the more likely you are to attract more views and subscribers. This, in turn, can lead to more income from the Rumble Partner Program. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money on Rumble requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of success on Rumble and generate a steady income from your videos. Remember that success on Rumble takes time and effort, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep producing quality content, engage with your audience, and continue to improve your skills. With patience and persistence, you can turn your passion for video creation into a lucrative source of income on Rumble. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your Rumble journey.